Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Fantastic Machinery. The John Deere 1270E harvester stands as a titan in the realm of tree harvesting, embodying excellence in both performance and reliability. With its robust design and cutting-edge technology, this formidable machine has earned its place as a top choice for forestry professionals worldwide. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic systems, the 1270E delivers unparalleled efficiency in felling, delimbing, and bucking operations. Its precise controls and ergonomic cabin ensure optimal operator comfort and control, even in the most demanding conditions. What sets the 1270E apart is its ability to tackle diverse terrain with ease, thanks to its superior traction and stability features. Whether navigating steep slopes or dense forests, this harvester excels in maneuverability and productivity. Moreover, the John Deere 1270E prioritizes sustainability, with fuel-efficient technologies that minimize environmental impact without compromising performance. Its durability and low maintenance requirements make it a cost-effective investment for forestry operations of any scale. In essence, the John Deere 1270E harvester stands as a testament to innovation and excellence, redefining standards in tree harvesting and earning its place as a trusted partner in forestry endeavors worldwide. Experience the power and precision of the Caterpillar 305.5 times 10 to the 2 as it effortlessly removes stubborn stumps at our job site. With its compact size and formidable strength, this machine tackles each stump with ease, making quick work of even the toughest roots. Watch as the 305.5 times 10 to the 2 deftly maneuvers around obstacles, efficiently clearing the area for future development. But the job doesn't end there. We're not just removing stumps, we're also ensuring they're properly disposed of. That's where the CAT 289D comes in. Using its robust bucket, we load the extracted stumps onto the 289D, ready to be relocated to another part of the property. It's a seamless process thanks to the compatibility and reliability of these Caterpillar machines. If you're impressed by the efficiency and effectiveness of our operation, imagine what we can do for your project. Whether it's land clearing, excavation, or any other task, trust in Caterpillar equipment to get the job done right. Contact us today to see how we can meet your construction needs.
Mostly pines. So this is actually kind of a cool job. The person it's for is actually one of you guys, a fan. Contacted me.
Next, experience unprecedented efficiency and power with the dynamic duo of the CBI 5400 Crusher and the Caterpillar 320E Excavator. Witness the seamless synergy as these two heavyweights join forces to tackle stump grinding with unmatched precision and speed. The CBI 5400 Rapid Grinder is the epitome of reliability, effortlessly reducing stumps to mulch in record time. Its robust design ensures durability in the face of even the toughest jobs, while its advanced features optimize performance for maximum productivity. Paired with the Caterpillar 320E, renowned for its versatility and strength, this combination redefines efficiency in land clearing and forestry operations. From large-scale projects to intricate tasks, the CBI 5400 and Caterpillar 320E deliver unparalleled results, setting a new standard in stump grinding technology. Embrace the future of forestry equipment with this unstoppable duo, where power meets precision for superior performance every time.